Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video I'm going to share with you this cute looking protective hairstyle that you can see here in the beginning of the video. If you are new here, I'm a Google Sharon. Have you subscribed to my channel though? If you haven't, I'll give you a few seconds to do so you can support me to create more videos. Did you subscribe? Thank you, and let's get straight to today's video. Hi guys, I'm going to start today's video by dividing my hair. I'm going to divide my natural hair into two sections so I can have the front and the back. So as usual, I'm going to go in with my toothpick over here. You can use a sharp comb so that you can part your hair a little neater. And then for this hairstyle, if you decide, you can use gel. For me, I don't really see the need of that. I'm just going to work on my hair naturally as it is. And then I have my brush here. I'm going to brush it up to bring it together. And then here again, if you decide, you can use rubber bands. For me, I'm actually struggling with the growth of my hair right now, and the last thing I want to do is to put a rubber band on my hair. So I'm just going to go in with the tiny braids. And you try to make your partings a little neater if you decide not to use any gel like me. And this time, you're just going to braid them neater, and you're not going to leave any space here. Make them tight like that. Okay, so another thing, when you're dividing these tiny braids, try to position them with the first one so that they can look uniform, kind of. And now I'm figuring out that I should not have braided this. So I'm going to unbraid the braid again, and now we join all this hair together. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and now join this one with this one here. Try to reach it to the roots so it's tight and it doesn't hang. Not so tight that it'll give you an headache. See, now this one is joined to this. I never thought this would be possible without rubber band, but look at that. So now I need to work on this and this last braid here. Let me just hold this over here first. Over here, now we'll have to undo this actually again. First I'll divide this braid into 3 pieces. Now I'll hold the braid really close to my roots. And then now I'll just finish the braid up. this is what I have here, so that I can save time. I'm going to work on these two pieces of hair once, this side and this side. Now it's very easy. After I divide this one, the second one over here, I'm not going to braid it. I'll just add this one, this second piece to it, and then I'll braid it. I'll braid both the braids together. Let me first divide this piece of my natural hair into 3 sections. There it goes. Wow, it's looking really good. Wow, I'm loving this. Actually, the truth is, I've never tried this kind of hairstyle. I've wanted to try it for a very long time. Yeah, especially there was this time that the crisscross box braids was trending. I wanted to try that so bad. I'm going to go ahead and repeat the process with this other side of the hair. Yeah. Okay, so I'm done. I did the same with this other side. Now what I'm going to do is to go in with some accessories so I can kind of make it look a little better, especially these parts that I joined 2 braids together. I have this. I'm going to go in with that. I now have 1, 2, and the third one here. What is it? This one. Now what I'm going to do is join them together to form a cornrow, but then this time it's going upwards, kind of. It's not really that hard. I'm now done with the back. So what I'm going to do is to join this hair together to form a cornrow to the center somewhere here. I'm going to make this ponytail stay in place, but I'm going to have to braid something like a ponytail first. So I have a braiding hair here that I already used. I'm going to pass one to this side, and then I'm going to hold it like this, and then we are going to braid it right there to this hair here. I'm now going to roll it here. So moving on, right here I have air bundles from my previous video. These were the pieces that I got from this short hair. Check that video out. I'm going to link it down in the description box if you want to learn how to make your own hair bundles at home. They smell good. Have one piece of hair remaining. So since this poor braiding hair, I secured them with a string and I doubled the pieces just like they double a bundle to make it a little thicker. I know you've seen that. Let me show you. 1 and 2, you see that? So it can be a little thicker, and then I secured the string to the hand. So what I'm doing, I realized that I really don't need to separate it because the string can snap, and then my work that I did almost for hours will be like done just like that. So I'm not going to separate it. Now the hack is, I'm going to pick this piece of hair at the end and then the other piece of hair at the end, and then what I'm going to do is to move it around. This and this, this and this, this and this, this and this. And now we are a ponytail around and around it goes. You see? Now this goes this way and then this other one goes this way. Okay, I can't make it around again and then tie it up, so I'll just tie it from up here. I want to tie it really because I don't want it to come off. If I go around and around the hair, it can just unravel just like that. And then now I'll go around and around with the lesser hair that is remaining. So moving on, I actually have this part here. See this? I need to hide it. I'll take a portion of my hair here. I'm just going to try to wrap it around here so it can hide this. So here's another tip. If the braiding hair that you had in to adjust your hair, you feel like it will come off when you're braiding that part, you can crochet the braiding hair in and then braid it to your hair properly, like when you're doing crochet braids, so that your ponytail doesn't come off. If you just wrap it around and around, it can just fall off just like that, especially if you have less hair. I hope you understand what I mean by that. I just want to try to comb it out, and when you're doing this, do it gently. You don't want to pull your ponytail up and then have an headache after this. I feel like now it's full enough for me. Oh god, this looks really good. So to finish up, I'm going to go ahead and lay my edges. So right here I have my nice and lovely clear gel. You can use any of your favorite gels that you have at home. Actually, this is one of my favorite parts after I always finish doing my hair tutorials. And now this is how my edges look up close camera. you guys, when I look at myself right here in the mirror next to me, I feel like I look really good. I don't know if you can see that on camera. Oh god. Thank you guys for 400 subscribers. We are growing little by little. You can also support me on my food channel. I featured it right here on my main channel. If you're new here or if you haven't known that, it's called Beyond the Room of Kenya. If you want to join me in that journey so we can cook together, make a bunch of mistakes, and then we correct it, and life goes on. If you want to check out how I made these hair bundles or hair extension that I'm wearing right now, I'm going to link it down in the description box so you can check it out if you love it. Thanks for watching, and kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my new uploads. Yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.